Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to look for a pair to trade. The pair in mind currently seems to be Brent crude oil. I'm going to be looking at crude oil, and I'm noticing something. Let's start on the left. What we have here, market was there's a little consolidation happening there, which suggests there's some support level down there. But be that as it may, we need to look at the current pattern that I see. Price shot down, came down to this level there, and then went up to here, and then came down to there. What I'm noticing is this level here is lower than here. And then after price came down here, it shot up to here, which is much higher than here, the previous high. To me, market is suggesting that there's a head and shoulders pattern that's loading up. What that means is price currently is going to come down to form the last shoulder of the head and shoulders pattern before going on a steady rise up to create a new higher high, much higher high than this. So price will be coming down to around the side of the previous shoulder here. This is the head. I suppose this would be the change of structure, since it created a high above the previous high, and then the low here is lower than the previous low. So this is the neck essentially. So price, I'm guessing, is coming somewhere here, either down to this level. I would suspect it's coming down to this level here, somewhere here, or might come down to this range here. But price is coming down. It already went up and stopped continuing going up. It's just been showing signs of coming back down. So my assumption is it's going to come down to this level somewhere here before continuing to go up. Right, that's step one. Identifying my trading plan. So now we zoom in to the current month. Which is here. Price shot down, and then there was a push back up to the top. What I like to do, I look for ranges where candles have closed shape and have opened up before. So between that red candle and here, there's a gray area where I believe this is where you can place your trades. If we zoom in, we zoom in, price is turning at that gray area, if you notice here. So to me, the best place to make my entries would be within the two areas here, between these levels. Since price went up price is gonna rise. It turns within that gray area. I would use this as an entry level. How big is the account today? 32. I think it's $32. So what I would say in this case, let's say 0.05. Oh, come on now. No connection. Oh la la. Try again. No connection at that time. Alright, so it finally opened up. Position has been placed. My stop loss in this regard would be the top end of the zone. Let's say stop loss can be placed above, let's say, since it has already touched, I'll put it there. It could go against me, but at this point, you never really know. According to my analysis, we at the high of the month. Now, after prices reach the high of the month and start showing signs of slowing down, that's when you can jump in. Well, from my side, it's just your odds of probability of being right are higher now. So we could actually see. Okay, I would actually maybe put two more. At the end of the day, whether the account blows or not, you just gotta keep going. You must never fear failure. So that's where the entries are being placed. Today is the 15th, essentially in the middle of the month. So we're hoping for a mid-month reversal. I'm looking at my moving averages. Price is currently underneath my moving averages, well, all of them essentially, which suggests that a downtrend is in power, and we should be looking more at selling than buying for now, since we waiting for price to come down and create a new lower low around somewhere here. I'd say around this level here. I would say I'd say about there. So price, that's a major drop, but if it was going up, we wouldn't be seeing so many red candles here. So current momentum is shifting towards selling. We jumped in. I don't like using stop losses because you never really know where to place your stop loss. It's always a bit of a guess, but I see. Right, so I'm gonna do that, and let's see. In theory, yeah, in theory, market did a rally. Now it went back to the base. Now I should carry on doing another rally, which will go below the previous low. But we already know that primary targets is down here. Then when price gets down to here, we are going to actually could even just set it up there around that price level. Might take a while, might take a couple of months. Oh no, might take more than a couple of months, but yes, that's the game plan. We hang on, we'll see how we go. I'll update you guys throughout the next couple of days, weeks, months, and then yeah, let's see how this ends. All right. So a couple of hours has passed, and market has moved. So now we just gotta wait. It takes time. One of the positions kicked out, but yeah, we're still up, and let's see how it goes. Okay. I think I'll let this run for now. It's gonna be a long wait before price comes down to there, but yeah, we wait. Right, today's the next morning. It's around 5 to 7 on the 16th. And yeah, so we see the sell momentum is pushing. It's showing a little bit of consistency, and yeah, in terms of the account, so much. A couple of positions popped. I suppose I was a little bit too aggressive, but a couple of positions popped. But however, we managed to still make a profit in the long run. And yeah, at this point, it's just a matter of just riding the wave out, and let's see where we end. All right, a couple of hours later, market is still going up and down, but overall we are going down. However, I entered a few more positions, and hey, they keep kicking me out. But what is that? I think we lost $20 so far, because the original balance was 30 something. But anyway, wait, let's see. Yeah, lost 3. So we lost 9. But I think maybe yesterday a position went out. I just need to learn to manage my risk analysis properly, because the direction of the market is going accordingly. It's just a matter of knowing what lot size to use for the account size, because as we see here, price comes down, will go down, but then it has a tendency of coming up before it carries on going down. And even here it went higher than the previous high before carrying on going down. So some things like that you just can't necessarily be able to predict fully. However, in the long run, we have recovered what we lost. But yeah, account is still moving. As long as the account grows, I guess, then you'll still be okay. But yeah, let's see how it pushes. Looks like daily high got touched and tested. If I look here, looks like market went to the daily high, hit, and now it's going down. So if the daily high has been hit already, there's no need to worry and think that market will come back around. It would have carried on going up if it was going to be a buy, but it's pushing down now. So yeah, let's hang on, let's see where we at. Alright, a couple of hours later, what do we got? Price has been pushing. That's what we want to see. And yeah, so we'll just hang on. Price shot down and now it's actually doing a little retest back up. What I would do at this point is try to look for a previous daily high to know more or less how high price will be going to. So something so around 78, 90, 79. Probably take that gap there, the top end of that gap. So between 78, 90 and 79. That's the next support level. So price should hover around here for a while before continuing its drop. But yeah, so far so good. It's nothing to do. Trying to move. There we go. So always remember to move your stop loss to cover your profit, so that in case of any weird turn of events you are covered, you know. So okay, well, that is loading, but yeah, I'ma just hang on. It's a Friday today, not much is going to happen. And yeah, we'll just let it ride out, and then I'll see you guys next week for the continuation, where we see how much we can flip whatever we got by the end of today into whatever we can for next week. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. If you got any questions, leave a comment. And yeah, man, let's learn, let's grow, let's build together. Alright, cool. Alright, so price went up a little bit, pushed up on H4. I just jumped in now because it came down to this level here. There's a little support level in this corner here, so I'm just jumped in. Currently we're looking at so much, and yeah, we're just gonna hang on and hope for the best essentially. But yeah, currently we're still winning. So price is consolidating now, as I suspected. Price came up to that level where I jumped in, and it's just been chilling there. I think for the day, movement is done. It might push down a little bit to somewhere here, but I think overall for the day, for the week, market is done. For the week it's done. It pushed down to a previous weekly low, which was between this level here, this candlestick. So I see price is not too far from there. There's a couple of hours, maybe, I don't know how many hours before market closes, but pretty much done for the day. We got a nice push down. It went below that level, so we'll see this next week. We'll continue the saga next week. The saga continues. Remember, the account was at 32 yesterday. So what is that? 190? Yeah, around 190. This is the price I'm currently closing at, and yeah, I'm actually just gonna let it run. It's still far from where we're going, but yeah man, let's go, let's get it.